Bust down. AP bust down. This is for Ohio. I'm gonna do an auto pick bust down right quick. And some count follow up as well. Steady counting, steady counting, steady counting. It's all numbers. Adding or subtracting. Adding or subtracting. Find the sum count. Sum count gonna give you the pairs. The pairs gonna give you the number. This is where we starting at. This is Ohio. Okay. Most recent being 427 on midday. What did they do? How did they get to 427? I'm going to show you how they got to 427. 427. Ohio midday pick 3 number. Today's date is 4/2/1. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4, 2, 6. That's today's date. All they did was minus 1. No, they added 1. They did a plus 1 on the date. Today's 4/21. If I mirror this 1 on the date, I'm going to add 5 to it. So that turns that number into 425. 4, 2, give you 6. 6 equals a 1. 426 is today's date. Ohio's pick 3 midday number was 427. They added 1 on today's date. Okay? That's where that came from. Now let's get on these sum counts. Because it's time for this board to hit Ohio. It's already blueprinted. It's time for this board to hit Ohio. We're about to compare this board because I'm about to do an auto pick bust down with the draws that done came, and we gonna get on these sum counts. But for those of you that are already familiar with this board that I put up, this COVID board is getting hot for Ohio. So let's talk about it. We're going to evening draw. So starting with midday's sum count, I need to follow up off of midday sum count, and I need to follow up off the past 3 evening draw sum count. So I got 13 from midday. Last night was 4. I'm gonna write them in order. Basically, I'm starting right here. I'm starting right here on the 18th. 18th evening is where I'm starting. Sum count 11. I'm going all evenings. So I'm hitting here, 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 and here because these are our most recent numbers. 11, 6, 4, 13. Because Ohio got to hit this board next. I gotta hit this board next. So what I need to do is, off of my sum counts, I need to fill in. I need to fill in X because I already got my pairs. I'm pulling my pairs from the sum counts. I'm pulling my pairs from the sum counts. This is today midday. So 421M, 420 Eve, 419 Eve, 418 Eve. And what I'm doing is, Ohio got to hit this board, so I'm either following the sum counts or I'm plugging in the pairs. So from midday today, if I'm going forwards or backwards, I'm adding or I'm subtracting 1. After 13, I got 14. Okay? If I'm going up, if I'm going down after 13, I got 12. Okay? This is why I say they got to go to this board. Okay? Look at the two, look at the left side, look at the right side. Okay? I got 13, 14, and 12. Look at my board. I got 13, 14, I got 12 on there. I'm filling them in with zeros. Sum counts, I'm filling them in with zeros. Okay? I got 14, I got 13, I got 14, I got 12. Okay? Evening, 4. I can go sum or pair. After 4, I got 5. Okay? After 4, I got 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. After 4, I got 5. Under 4, I got 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. After 4, I got 5. After 4, I got 5. After 4, I got 5. 5, 5. 3 plus 1 plus 2, 5. After 4, I got 5. Or if I turn these 1s, pull this 2 right here, 1 plus 1 give me 2. I bring a 0 down off of this 5, 0, 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. After 4, I got 5. Under 4, I got 3. 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 I already got 3. So I need to go above 4, which is 5. But if I go under 4, I got 3. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 6. 6. Above 6, I got 7. Above 6, I got 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. Above 6, I got 7. Above 6, I got 7. Okay? Above 6, I got 7. Under 6, I got 5. I already hit 5. So where I need to go? I need to go 7 or I need to go 8. I got 7 right here. I got 7 right here. I got 7 right here. After 7, I got 8. I can't go down to 5 because I got 5 right here. Or even if I keep 6. If I keep 6. If I keep 6. If I keep 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. If I keep 6. They got to touch my board. Excuse me, y'all. They got to touch my board. They got to touch my board. It's numbers. They got to touch my board. If I stay with 6, 1 plus 5 is 6. They got to touch my board, y'all. They got to touch my board. Should I keep going to 7? I already went to 7. I got 7. I got 6. I need to go up to 8 because I can't go down to 5. So I need to go up to 8 a little bit. Remember how I told you certain numbers are powerful? This is one of them. Look at my sum counts. I got a sum count that I'm working off of that are one of the 3 most powerful numbers in the world. This 6 right here. This 6 right here can do a lot of things. Okay? 1 plus 5 giving me 6. If I go to 7, I went to 7, I need to go to 8. 8. Same thing. 1 plus 7 is 8. If I'm going to 8. Okay? That's all I need to do right there. 11. Above 11 is 12. Under 11 is 10. I got a lot of 10 pairs. Under 11 is 10. Keeping 11 is 11. Above 11 is 12. I can't use 12. I can pull a triple off this. I can pull a triple off that. Because ones, I add 3 to them. I add 3 to this 1. What do I get? What's up under the 4? Ones are 4s. 4, 4, 4 is 11 plus 1, which is 12 right here. Okay? If I keep 11, look at my board, y'all. If I keep 11, this is what I'm doing. If I keep 11, a total of 4 zeros on the 20th. One of them zeros got to come back. Look at my math. Look at my numbers. 4. What I tell you do with the 4. If I'm flipping it, I'm taking 3 from this 4. That's going to leave a 1. This 7 right here, if I flip this 7 right here, I'm adding 3 to it. That 7 turns to a 10. So this 7, one of these zeros need to come back. This 7 is going to bring you a 0. This 4 has to bring you a 1. We got 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. All these 4s and no 1s. Look at these 3 7s right here. Look at these 7s and look at these zeros. Your 7s brought your zeros. Your 4s need to bring you a 1. Your 4s need to bring you a 1. This number right here, 427, if I minus 3 from that, because I'm flipping it, that's going to leave me a 1. If I drag that 2 down, that's giving me a 12. If I take this 7 and I flip it right here, I'm adding 3 to it instead of subtracting. That turns to 10. I'm making a 3-digit number, so I can't write down 1210. I got to pull the last number. The last number is a 0. 12, which is right here, which is also today's date. Today's date is 4/21. 12 backwards. 0, 2, 1, 21st. Okay. Evening auto picks for Ohio. The auto pick is dominated by zeros. A zero's on what? Every other row? Row with a 0, no 0. Row with a 0, row with a 0, no 0. Look at my numbers. Where my counts at? Where my sum counts at? Where my marker at? These are my sum counts. These are my sum counts. Starting from the 18th evening, working into today midday. Evening, sum count of 11. The number was 137. 419 evening, Psalm 6. 420, 4 plus 2 is 6. 420 evening, Psalm 4. 400, which is basically like saying what, April? Because 4 is April. Zeros bring fives. Sevens bring zeros. A 5 mirrors a 0. A 0 flips to a 3. Guess what month we going into, y'all? May, right? May is 05, right? May is 05, right? 05 is 02. 02 is 08. These are your pairs for the month of May. I'm showing you already right now. Guess I'm being a little nice, but come May bring you a couple bags off of these pairs right here. We're in the third week. That's why you're seeing these zeros in Ohio. This applies to all states, but that's why you're seeing these zeros in Ohio right here. Because 00 is 05. A 0 mirrors a 5. If you see these pairs already, that's because they already talking about May, y'all. They already talking about May. Let's look right here. Last 5 draws. Look at May pairs. 20, 05. 05 is 00 or 08. Only one we done hit is this one right here. 08. If I take this 8, I add 3 to it and I flip it, it turns to 01. So do pairs in Ohio right now are these. That's combining May as well as May pairs that's already hit. The 20. Only pair I didn't write down was 00, but you see it right here. It just hit yesterday. That's all May talk. May talk is 05. So Ohio, this is my evening auto pick for this evening. I'm gonna bust it down because I need to compare it to what's going on. First off, line E has a sum of 14. Line E is 14. Line D is today's date, 21st. Or if I read it backwards, 012 with the value of 12. Value of 12. 14 sum count. We just had 13 midday. So this is why it's important to pay attention and know what sum count you want, because it's not always about the number. If you can pick up on the sum counts, you can see a few things. Line C, how that 106 is on there. 1 plus 6 give you 7 if I'm going to 7. And they got 060 right here at top. That's the sum count I was digging in. That's another number I need to write down off the auto pick. That follow in with this. 6. 106. Where I'm at. Line B. I believe that's Kobe Bryant's jerseys numbers. 824. That's a sum count of 14. Just like line E. That's another 14. So I got two sums of 14 on here. That might be an indication of them counting forward. I need a 14 row. I got a 14 sum right here. I need a 14 row. That may be my bonus row. A 14 row. 824 923 114. That equals 14. Need a 14 row. So if you want to get a head start on May, if you playing in Ohio, these are good pairs for you to start for right now. Any other state, everything before I start scribbling out applies to you. Ohio, this is where you at with it though. So do any of these fall in with any dates to come? We're on the 21st. We got the 22nd. Got the 22nd. The 23rd, if you read this backwards, 0, 2, 3. 24th, 25th. 26 on here, 27, 28, no, 29, 30, no, 31. To the 25th. This is good to the 25th, starting with this evening. They can stop me from posting APs. They can't stop me from explaining them and comparing them to the drawings. It's a totally different ballpark. So, Ohio, pick 3 players. That's what I got for you on the bust down side. Pick you a sum count box starting from the 18th evening. These are all evenings going to today midday. That's not saying that one of these won't hit on a midday drawing. Evening drawing is our nearest drawing starting now. So good to the 21st. Catch you one of these boxes. The bonus one's right here. Power pairs right here. That's all I got for you. C. Jones Lotto Licks.